Oh, all right. Uh, oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, boys and girls, we're back. Uh, oh, excuse me. Excuse me. I don't know why all of a sudden I'm uh, sneezing. Ah, but I do have my Kleenex to sneeze into. Hmm. When you sneeze, boys and girls, what do you do? You cover your mouth because germs come out of your mouth when you sneeze, all kinds of particles. And on Wednesday, I'm going to how that happens. So when we sneeze, germs come flying out of our mouth. So we need a Kleenex achoo, to help us. Watch my tissue. Achoo. You see my tissue move? Achoo. The germs and air flew into the tissue. And that's what made it fly up. One more time, watch. Achoo. That's why, boys and girls, we're living in a time now where we have COVID, and I'm sure everyone has heard about COVID or the coronavirus. And we have to wear a face mask. I'm not wearing one right now because nobody's in here with me. But if you guys were in here, then we would have on our face shield. And we would also have on our face mask. Okay? I'm going to take this off so you can understand what I'm saying. These help keep the germs to ourselves because we don't want to get anyone else sick with our germs. We want to protect not just ourselves, but the people around us. That's why we have to wear protective gear. Okay? So, if by chance you don't have on a face mask or your face shield and you sneeze, there's a couple of ways that you can keep people around you safe. One is if you have a piece of tissue, a Kleenex, and you can sneeze into the Kleenex like so, and all of your germs go into the tissue. Okay. The other way if is when you sneeze, you put your mouth into the corner like a vampire. Okay. So we're going to do a vampire sneeze. Ready? Everybody do a vampire sneeze. Practice that. Okay. The last way is if you can't get your arm up there fast enough, then you take your shirt and you sneeze inside your shirt. Just like that. You don't want to put your nose in it just in case something comes out of your nose and then it'll be all inside your shirt and that'll be just yucky. So, but we do want to put our mouth inside our shirt. And that helps stop the particles. It helps to stop the particles from spreading into the air and other people around us becoming sick. Okay?